A progression in which the first term is not equal to 0. So a is not equal to 0. And each term after the first term is found by multiplying the previous term with a constant number. And that number is called the common ratio. So the first term is a, the second term is a multiplied by a constant number. Let's call it as r. The third term is found by multiplying the second term with r, so ar squared. And the fourth term is found by multiplying the third term with r, so ar cubed, and so on. Similarly, the nth term will be ar raised to the power n minus 1. We have a as the first term, which should not be equal to 0. R is the common ratio. And the last term is given as ar raised to the power n minus 1. And to find the common ratio, we use the formula a2 over a1 or a3 over a2 or a4 over a3 and so on. An example of a GP is 1, 3, 9, 27, and so on. This sequence is a GP because here the first term a equals 1, which is not equal to 0. If we find the ratio of second term and the first term, which will be 3 over 1, is equal to 3. So that is a2 over a1. Similarly, if you find a3 over a2, that is 9 over 3, again 3. If you find a4 over a3, which is 27 over 9, again that is equal to 3. As the ratio of any two successive terms is equal, therefore this sequence is a GP. And in order to find the nth term of this sequence, we can use the formula a times r raised to the power n minus 1. A is 1 times r, which is 3, raised to the power n minus 1. So 3 raised to power n minus 1 gives us the last term or general term of this sequence.